In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for spam comments in WordPress. Managing comments on your WordPress website is an important part of maintaining a clean, interactive, and user-friendly site. Spam comments can clutter your posts, reduce the quality of user engagement, and even harm your website's credibility. Thankfully, WordPress has built-in tools to help you identify and manage spam effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to locate, review, and handle spam comments to keep your website running smoothly. If you're new to WordPress, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in the address of your WordPress website. This will take you directly to the homepage of your site. Once you're there, look for the Login option. This is typically located at the top right corner of the screen, although it may vary depending on your theme. Click on Login to proceed. On the login page, select the Continue with Google option. This method is not only convenient, but also enhances security by using your Google account credentials for authentication. If you don't see this option, you can log in using your standard WordPress username and password. But for today's tutorial, we'll stick with the Google method. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose one of your Google accounts. Select the account you want to use, and this will complete the login process. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the Comments section. You can find this in the menu on the left side of your dashboard. This section is where all visitor interactions, such as comments on your posts, are displayed. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this area is helpful, as it's where you'll spend time managing feedback and engagement. Next, locate and click on the Check for Spam option within the Comments section. This tool is incredibly useful because it automatically scans through your recent comments and flags any that might be considered spam. It's like having an extra set of eyes to help you keep your site in top shape. After the scan is complete, review the results displayed in the Comments section. WordPress will show you which comments it has flagged as spam. This step is important because not all flagged comments are necessarily spam. Some legitimate comments might be mistakenly categorized, so it's always a good idea to double-check. Now, it's time to take action on those flagged comments. Review each one carefully and decide what to do. If a comment is clearly spam, you can delete it to keep your site clean. On the other hand, if a comment has been flagged by mistake, you can approve it to restore it to your site. This step ensures that your website remains free of clutter while still welcoming genuine interaction. And that's how you check for spam comments in WordPress. By following these steps, you can maintain a clean and professional website that fosters authentic engagement with your visitors. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.